ادعو إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي الأحسن. Invite all to the ways of thy Lord with wisdom and with beautiful preaching, and debate with them in the best of manners.
Ahmed Deedat explains to Christians
this
what does Son of
made
God
by
mean.
Peter. When Jesus asked, he said, who do you think I am? He said, thou art the Christ, the Son of the living God. Son of God, what did it mean to the Jew? Did it mean that God begot a son? How many sons does God have? We are asking our Christian brethren, how many sons has he got? And you'll get the answer, one. I said, it's unfortunate you don't know your Bible. See, God, in the Gospel of St. Luke, chapter 3, you read there the genealogy of Jesus, and it says, and Adam, the son of God. So was Adam the son of God? He must be. Then Jesus Christ, he said, all the good people, as many as are led by the Spirit of God, are the sons of God. Means every Tom, Dick, and Harry, if you follow the will and plan of God, he is a godly person. In the language of the Jew, he is a son of God. Then you read from the book of Genesis, chapter 6, verse 3, it says, and the sons of God, science van God, and the sons of God saw the daughters of men that they were fair, and they took them to wife all that they chose. How many did he have? Many. And when the sons of God, verse 6 now, chapter 6, came in unto the daughters of men and bore children to them, they became great men of old, men of renown. How many sons did he have? Many. In the book of Exodus, God says, Israel is my son, even my firstborn. In the book of Jeremiah, he said, Ephraim is my son, even my firstborn. In the book of Psalms, God speaks to David. He said, I will declare a decree unto thee that thou art my son. This day have I begotten thee. So, in the language of the Jew, in the idiom of the Jew, it means nothing more than a goodly person.